Many mold manufacturers across North America have developed their niche, but they still struggle with finding, training, and retaining skilled workers. The key for one Canadian mold builder is taking what they've developed in-house and pushing it out to local schools, associations, and partners. I recently spoke with Brian Bendig, president of Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing, to find out exactly what that means.
We like to be a little bit different than everyone else. So a lot of our competitors focus primarily on the automotive markets, and we have a blended content, and we do things a little bit differently. So we're not only looking for, the common projects, but we're looking for some of the complex projects, the projects that are off the tracks, the things that are going sideways, things that are maybe more difficult or complex, the projects that other people don't want is some of the stuff we look for. We want to be that Tylenol, we want it to be pain-free, so we focus on those problematic stuff, and we excel at those things, and that pushes us further and further from some of our competition, and it makes us stand out. We often want to invite a lot of the young adults within the industry, and awareness is a big thing because shortage of skilled workers and such is problematic in our industry. So a lot of people know what a dentist does, a doctor does, different things because they can see it, they can touch it, they're familiar, but people don't know what we do. So we like to include a lot of the young adults through our building for tours and such. And in doing this, we went a little bit further, and we actually developed our own math program. So we had put together several items that we could measure, check, go, no-go pins, micrometers, verniers, different things. And we set up this math program, and we invited a bunch of the students in, and we were working with these young adults going through this program. And in turn, now these schools are adopting this as theirs. So some of the things they did, we're now nudging them to be a little more aggressive, to get a little bit more involved, to go a little bit deeper and more industry specific. These are some of the skills or tools needed to be successful. In working with this, we're working with the CAM, which is Canadian Association of Mold Makers, and they in turn are taking some of the things we're doing and going to some of their partners and connections to further push that out and get a little more involvement. They're working with the school, there's more awareness, there's a bigger focus.